Ai Vatsonga va ka hina I manyanga tsa dokumisa xaka leti n'wanyana n'wi melanisa ku mikandziyiso leyiwani khensa ku va mi tinyikete nkarhi mi pfula nkandziyiso lowuwani. So namuntlha hi vulavula hi timhaka tin'wanyana ku who are these guys, hi ti team letiwani ti play ku role yikulukumba kumbe ti nga tlanga role yikulukumba into making stars, into introducing some of the role players ka music wa Xitsonga sweswiwani, introducing them to the game. So before ni vulavula hi sweswo ni ta kombela mi subscribe n'wina mi nga ku voneni hinkwenu ku tsongahata lokukulu.
Nikomani ningefi ikaya gelegele rini koka inanga nikomane ningefi ikaya gelegele rini koka inanga rikuta tana usa shabo gelegele rini koka inanga rikuta tana usa shabo.
Se xivutiso lexiwani kahle content ya namuntlha ku was introduced stars who has had an impact ka game hi vanhu lava nga va tisa va tlhela va fika va maintainer relevance va fika va tlhela va relevant whether va fika va hambana kumbe xanjhani, but then the first person who brought them into the game. So before ni nghena ndende ku na lava talaka ku ni vutisa ku how do you promote music, how do you select la n'wina mi tshama kha mi vona mikandziyiso leyiwani you know ku ni tshama kha ni vula ku there are certain prices leti ti nga kona based on the packaging, because you need the money to spend money, you need money to make money. So if you don't invest in your your craft, then there's a problem. You can't ask me to go upload the music ka iTunes, then you the rates that the extra kid can that tune code, then trying to it's insane. So money I'm say van number one, I'm never immune to being wrong. Aniri ba whole nguvu, but then I'm just saying one never played this big role. So number one, Josh Reman. Regardless whether you like him or you don't like him, let's look at the game now. Language game ya music wa Xitsonga. Language sa timhaka ku how many people did you introduce? If we were to say there was no Josh Reman ka game ya music wa Xitsonga, ava tava ku ri na artist tingana ta kha nga le team. Let me take you back ka nkarhi wa disco, the early 90s, Karo Pen, wo Easter M, wo Candy, wo himself na Josh Reman. Matimu ma Vatsonga mo tala maendlo ngopfu hi vona. So literally iku matimu ma Vatsonga loko a va nga ri kona Dr. Shirmani ama ta va ma nga sasekisanga leswi ma nga sasekisa swona sweswiwani. He introduced the likes of Pen and the story xa Pen swi ti komba hi nga ku hi vona va nga vona ku munhu loyi u na vuswikoti byo karhi. Vo Easter M, yeah. So coming back ka ku ava helelang kwala ku va na impact ya vona yi tlhela yi va the most dominant impact ka nkarhi wa sweswiwani. Prince Rangani, Benny Mayengani are the most relevant people for the last 10 years, including himself, Josh Reman, and his family. Why am I saying this? Music wa Xitsonga has been rotating around those three guys for the last 10 years. Swa tsandza sweswi swi nga ku tikela ku monopolize a game for that long time, and impact leyiwani swi tiva ku the bigger hand leyi a yi ri kona ka Limpopo Poison i voko ra Josh Reman. So ku hindza ka Josh Reman, the second person loyi mina ni nga vona ava a endli vanhu vo tala a tlhela a va pfunini i Steve Makhongela. You know the guy the way a package is actually swa yona was it has class, swi na dignity. Na loko vo khomi CD leyi yi va ku yi ri na Steve Makhongela u yi langutisa wa vona sleeve from the sleeve was vona ku swilo leswiwani swi na quality from the way the interviews are arranged, from the way they present their art. The likes of Bonus gigs outside the world through the men Shitele nga swivulaka. He also did Dream Team and worked with a lot of artists like Clafuser, Limpopo, Giyani, with the artists Tonguyani Tokwale, Push Back Rich. It's Daniel Brothers, it's the impact. So let's not choose ku nga langutisi ku u endleni. Munhu un'wanyana loyi ni nga n'wi hlaya ku nga ta va ku ri number 3 ni nga ta helela ka yena, lava un'wana ni ta hlaya ku ya mahlweni Soli Makam. Soli Makam has brought a lot of talent. One was gone. The legs of Wangalasa became relevant because of Soli Makam. The legs of Majojo, Bote, taking it way back. Loko se bo Shlonda Mali, bo Bila. I like Soli Makam only reintroduce people through music and through entertainment. We have a lot of entertainers now. Introduce Soli Makam, the likes of Wachai. As much as we would like to say Chabu would have made it without Soli Makam, however, the first time Wachai, it's through Atia Soli Makam. The first time Bila Kona is through Atia Soli Makam. The first time Cynthia Mafenya is through Atia Soli Makam. So Soli Makam has done so much for the game to the extent the impact of the game. Look, Soli Makam angatlangang story. As tana so sona sta hastikanyana one bafter sokso endlo Matsonga, but then kumnelanga rangandlela atla our consistent aniri yana ngasungula, but then the consistency le I commit no mafenya brothers 1 2 3 4 yona ingahlele encourage na bangwe masona it's possible. So final subscribe binkwalawo ndabuya from nahla 3, so I'm gonna give you another 3 then when your conclusion because I love good langu for not to success or layer because we lose concentration. A man is go to go. I want to clip you 15 minutes in moon consideration span short. This is so and can say when I'm going to subscribe. I